Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I am here with an unboxing of the Hooks and Needles subscription boxes. I originally saw this on the channel of Sandra Stitches, and she has a discount code, which I will include in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. And that will give you 20% off your first box. So I took advantage of her discount and I ordered a box, and I ordered the crochet box first, and then they sent me a discount code for another box, and I got the knitting box. I think this is the knitting and this is the crochet. We'll see when we open it. But I thought that I would do an unboxing video, just, you know, to make a video since it's been a while since I put one out there. So it comes in a nice box. It says Hooks and Needles on top, although this one has a sticker covering it. But it has the hooksandneedles.com on that part. And yes, this is the crochet box. So let's see what we get. So your cozy corner for crocheting inspiration. And it's a very nice little magazine here. These are the 3 projects. It's actually the same projects that Sandra showed in her box. So I was kind of hoping for the same one because I love this little bunny. It's adorable. And the basket. They do give you videos to watch, instructional videos with it. So I did get an email to log in and see the instructional video. So, and they give you the directions with pictures on how to make each thing. And this is the yarn. Hooks and Needles, made in Portugal. 92.5 yards, and it's a 50-gram ball. And it's 97% merino wool and viscose. And it's a medium number 4. It calls for size 8 knitting needles. It doesn't give you the crochet recommendation, but I've heard in the past that whatever the knitting needle it calls for, to go up a size or 2 for a crochet hook. Actually, let's see if it tells you in here what size crochet hook. Five millimeter. So, and they give you 2 balls of this color, Woodland Whisper. So there's 2 balls of this, and it has this little speckling in here. Oh, Woodland Whisper must be the brand name, because this one says Woodland Whisper also, and obviously it's a different color. So it doesn't say the colorway in here. I wonder again if it says it in the booklet. Let's see. Okay, it just says color 19. So the blue is color 19 and the gray is color 1. And it seems like it's their brand, so I guess if you wanted more, you could order that from their website. And then any good subscription box should give you some extras. So they have the stuffing here for the bunny. They give you these cute stork scissors. Oh, and they give you the crochet hook. Okay. It's a size 5. That's nice to have an extra hook. I'll have to try this out and see how I like it, but I like that it's pink. Very pretty. And needles. Very nice. I like this case. Right now my needles are in a plastic case that is broken at the top, so this will be nice to replace it. Very nice. So that's the crochet box. And now let's open up the knitting box and see what's in there. So here's the knitting box. Oh, and they give you knitting needles? Wow. Okay, let's see. It shows you the projects. I'm not seeing a picture of all three like the crochet one had. Did I miss a page? No. So it says for project 1, a chick small purse. Let's see if they show you the finished. Okay, so I guess, oh, there it is. Okay, so that's the purse. Looks like a little phone case. And the next pattern is a tablet sleeve. So that's handy for your iPad. That's what that looks like. And the last one, what do they call it? Okay, and then they just call it a bag. So there's that. Very nice. So they give you size 9 knitting needles, 2 sets. Here are the buttons for the bags. Very pretty. And there's 4 skeins. Here's more needles. And another pair of scissors. And there's 4 skeins of Harvest Moon yarn. It's a nice chunky yarn. It's 100% wool. You get 65.5 yards. It says it's a size 4 medium, but this seems to be a bit chunkier. And they're recommending a 9 or 10 knitting needle, which they give you a 9. Hand wash. Very pretty. It's not super soft, so I wouldn't make a wearable with this because it's not soft, but the projects that they give you are not wearables, so it's perfect for that. Let's see, is there anything else? Okay, so that's it. And again, you had the scissors and the needle case and the buttons and the knitting needles. Very nice. So what I'm going to do is leave Sandra's videos information in the description box. And as I said, that'll get you 20% off of your first order. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one, whenever that one is. Take care. Bye.